Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 8012553412 73730
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejala ba Prestone tensong ulakantai ya gejing keno bagodon kata ga high level ha kejala baru laong bakamdon ni kabakum kata baladadon ginu-ginu bakit Dewïong Be-Aiñ ke sarkar kal hukum badai ban kembe jeki halor ko hukum joging bishar ban pawan ra lagi Central Armed Police Force ban tel akam ya gejing Khaïi Dewïong Be-Aiñ uba Prestone laong bahadu mentah ompat tip la ke sarkar pedeng kan phane em yaki pulit kisipai jongka ban wanchani.
Well, the intention is very clear from the government side, be it the last term or be it this new term. But I'm very clear about it. That so-called high-level committee should not be there. And in fact, on the ground, it is not there. And I'll make sure that zero level prevails throughout the state of Meghalaya. Nothing. Whoever transport or whoever taking the movement of coal trucks on the road, they will be seized and they will be arrested as per law. It's already done. And say that some of the Home Ministry. Well, see, don't compare between the Honorable High Court's order and the duty of the state government. As I said to you, we are here to make sure that any illegal movement or any illegal mining should not at all take place throughout the state.